If you want, you could do some passing it. You must have tried to harmonize some song and it sound terrible, extremely terrible. I understand that. It's because of the way you're playing, the way you mix your chord. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to harmonize any song using the right chord. Now, if you have a song like, for example, now, the first thing that you need to do always is to know the melody, okay? You have to know where the melody is going, because the melody is what will lead you exactly what you need to put around your chord to make it sound great. Quite simple, right? So what it does is so the melody is, so I have the third, the fifth, and the sixth. But the way I see it is, I see it like this. I use what they call scale of chord, which is let me make it easier for you. This is, if the melody fell on this, I could use that. If the melody is this, I use that. Can you see that? Scale of chord, the key of C. So for the song, look at this. See, this is part of F. Now I can use G. There's no problem with that, right? G sus 4, but I would stay on the G right here to create a G7 over F. Okay? Now, based on the scale of chord, I have this. See? Then here. You could use A minor 7, or you could just do. This is a dominant 7, 6, you make it a dominant. Then you do. So the first thing is to know the melody. And also to put, based on the scale of chord, in the key of C, which is, and if you want, you can even do this. Let me look at my left hand. This is a diminished 7. This is a B diminished. It's a diminished chord. So that's what I could do. If you want, you could do some passing it. this is. So whichever song you are using, use the scale of chord. Like for example, scale of chord. Can you see what I'm doing? Is by knowing the scale of chord, each of the note has to be harmonized based on the scale it is in. Each of the tone of the scale has a way to harmonize it. This is, for example, this is for C. We could do this is C, C. Let me go slow it. This is C, D, E. Or you could do that too. But to make them sound beautiful, you could do this. See? Same thing you do for the key of C, C sharp. Same thing for the key of D, same thing. Key of F, same thing, you do that. This is how you're gonna start harmonizing any song that you have with no problem. You don't have to worry about anything as long as you applied the scale of chord. And this is what this video was all about. And then I know there's a lot of questions you may have. Please leave them in the comment box. I want to make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, and also let me know if this concept was clear for you. I can always make another video for you. Okay? All right, I hope that you understand the scale of chord, which will help you harmonize songs easier than you thought. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.